Hey guys, welcome to the Best Online Tutorials channel. In this video, I'm showing you how to fix not secure or dangerous in Google Chrome. So in this here, Chrome is stricter than ever. If your encryption isn't perfect, your visitors get a full screen red warning. That's going to look like something like this. Here you go, guys. But these also aren't permanent. Today I'm showing you the fixer steps to clear these warnings and get that green padlock back in under 2 minutes. So firstly, what is this caused by? So if the website is missing that safety certificate, it will show you this kind of connection is not private notification that you can either easily actually bypass and just proceed, or you can just press on back to safety and your browser will likely default to your home page. You'll probably open up a new tab and yeah, you can just start fresh. Or also guys, if you still wish to proceed, you need to click on this advanced button and you will have a small button there, proceed to website. So pretty much what this effectively means, you're bypassing this kind of notification and this privacy error and still proceeding to that website, even though if your Chrome browser deems it as unfit or unsafe. So just proceed with your own risk. And also, if the warning says dangerous or deceptive site ahead, Google has detected malware. So what I also recommend is going and opening up this cool website. It's called Scam Detector. Okay, this one right here. Yeah, I can't access it, thanks. And this website pretty much allows you to easily check the website's certificates and safety and all of that stuff. Yeah, just figure it out if you want to use that site or not. So for example, if I go ahead and copy this link, right, and I go to this website, and I paste this link in the search right here, I press search, as you can see, it's now analyzing everything, and as you can see, is google.com legit? As you can see, it has a rating of 100 out of 100, so it's a fully safe website, right? And if you're unsure, just go to this website, a really nice website, Scam Detector, paste the link here, press search, and you'll know the info about it. And of course, if it's dangerous, it's always not recommended to proceed. So that's it. If the security guide helped you get your site back online today, don't forget to like and subscribe.